Welcome back to PowerPoint Training Online, and today we've got another bite-sized Monday for you. And in today's video we're going to show you how to locate your accidentally saved teams, where you've saved a team for your PowerPoint presentation and you forgot where you saved it, or you saved it as to the default folder and you weren't able to find it when you went looking for it. For today's tutorial, we're not actually going to be using PowerPoint at all, okay? We're going to be using the file system or the folder system, File Explorer. But once you've got that opened, we need to click on, so I'm going to use my quick access bar here on the left hand side. If you haven't got that, just look in your main folders and look for Windows C, and then we're going to click on users. So this will then open up a list of folders for every user within that has access to that computer. Now ours is named Team Know-How. Yours will be whatever you name it, whatever your computer name is. Click on that. Now for this we need to make sure that all files and everything is unhidden. So to do that, I'll go up to View and click on the box that says Hidden Items. Now this is Windows 10, so that is the same as Windows 10 and Windows 8 it can be done that way. For Windows 7 and below, you need to go to Options to do that, okay? And you need to click on View, scroll down, and then Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drive. Press OK, and then that will do that. So please bear that in mind. If you're on Windows 7 and below, it will be slightly different to how I've just done it in the video the first time around, okay? It's not as easy, just click on to View and clicking on the box. So now that the hidden files are on Show, I need to click on App Data, and then I click on Roaming, and then we're going to click on Microsoft. Now you would think that maybe I'll click on Office or PowerPoint, or I'll click on Word, whatever it is, because you think that's what you're looking for, but it's not. You're looking for templates. So click on Templates, and then you'll have a list of stuff here. Again, you don't want any of these here. You want to click on Document Teams, and here is one that I saved earlier on. So now if I want to go, I can open that, and that will open my presentation with that team that I created earlier on. It's only a basic white team, so I'm not going to open it now. Or I can also open it from the design bar as well. So if I go into a PowerPoint and if I just click on Design tab, I go then to the drop down menu, Browse for Teams. So what I need to do now is I need to go through the folders to get to where I was a moment ago. It's really simple, and it takes about 30 seconds to get there once you find the right documents and folders, and there we go, and then that will then open that team in PowerPoint. Like I said, it was a white team, so it won't change anything, okay?
Thank you for joining us today for another bite-sized Monday. If you liked this video today or found it useful in any way, please hit that like button, and while you're there, hit the subscribe. You can do that below or in the top corner up here. And if you want to learn more about PowerPoint, why not check out another video? Until next time guys, goodbye.